That's that green right on top of the red. So over 50-mile-per-hour wind gust heading right down to the east Bardstown area. Here's Bluegrass Parkway, so just north of Bluegrass Parkway, there's Highway 62. If you live anywhere around this area, you want to be seeking shelter at this time, as we still see some of that circulation. Gusty winds, but the threat of a tornado, it looks like it's off to the northeast of you, and not very far northeast of Bardstown. Line is safe now. You can see no threat around Lebanon Junction. Western Nelson County looks good, and just to the west of New Haven, we're also looking just fine there in northern LaRue County. A big old track here.
See how that the curvature, as you mentioned, Ben, just how it's bowing out in different spots.
Yep.
So again, 45, 50 may be possible with some of those segments just popping out like that.
And there you can see that track. We've got it at Taylorsville. Some heavy rain, some gusty winds heading your direction right around 6:30. I think it's just a couple of minutes. Taylorsville Lake at around 6:40. Same for Maud, St. Francis, 6:46. Loretto at 6:48. 6:50.
Ben, in the weather chat, they are going to just go with a severe thunderstorm tag as it gets over into Anderson County, just out of the viewing area. In fact, they just popped the warning box off here, put the warnings back so you can kind of see where we are now as that tornado warning will expire now.
Yeah, and there's that new severe thunderstorm warning. So, Doug, it looks like, thankfully, that threat of a tornado is winding down.
Who died in the Pittsburgh Temple massacre.
And a haunting tradition on Transylvania's campus that's not for the faint of heart. KXAT News at 6. It starts now. Good evening, I'm Kevin Christopher.
And I'm Nancy Cox. Thank you for joining us at 6. The hepatitis A outbreak continues to spread in Kentucky, and now the virus has claimed 2 more lives.
Both deaths in the last week were in Franklin County, increasing the number of cases there to 28. Conroy Deluche has more details from Frankfurt in tonight's LEX18 Big Story at 6.
And these are the first 2 deaths reported in Franklin County due to this hepatitis A outbreak. 2 deaths that the health department officials say could have been prevented by a vaccine. As of October 20th, the number of reported Hep A cases in Kentucky stands at more than 2,200 across 94 of the 120 counties. 28 of those cases are in Franklin County, considered an outbreak level. And now out of 14 deaths, 2 are reported from Frankfurt. The risk factors have remained consistent since the outbreak started last August.
Any illicit drug use, not just IV drug use, any illegal drugs,
Get out.
working with, socializing, volunteering with the homeless, or the drug using population.
The state reports that out of the Hep A cases, homelessness was a factor in 40 of them, illicit drug use in more than 1,200, both were detected in more than 200 cases, and 405 were infected even though they were not exposed to risk factors. Judy Mattingly with the Franklin County Health Department strongly encourages 2 things: getting the Hep A vaccine and to practice careful and thorough hand washing. Covering the news in Frankfurt, KXAT News.
Last week,
the National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Nelson County in central Kentucky, southwestern Anderson County in central Kentucky, northwestern Washington County in central Kentucky. 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bardstown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bardstown, Bloomfield, Willisburg, East Bardstown, Maud, Mooresville, Olin, Pulliam, Hardesty, and Brush Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
That's why this is so important to this community.
But in this situation, Kentucky's own hate crime law won't allow prosecutors to do much about this?
Kentucky's hate crime statute really does not help us at all. So that's why we did not, there is no separate charge to even charge. It's not.
Let's turn to a threat index 1. Reason 1, flood potential. Reason 2, we've got a little tiny bit of, or at least geographically, a small area of severe weather, but the impact could be large. It's a squall line that you see sitting out here coming now, approaching Nelson County, moving into Nelson County. There is a tornado warning in association with that. That does include Bardstown. It's going to be until 6:30. It's that line of thunderstorms, that's the apex of that little bow that you see there, that the folks at the Weather Service have issued a tornado warning. 6:24 at Bardstown, Bloomfield 6:40. If it holds together, 7:04 somewhere around Willisburg. So again, we'll continue to track that, and if things do change, of course, update you as necessary as it approaches Washington County. With that, what we have been looking at in terms of the velocity displays, where you see the bright greens and the bright reds right next to each other, that's about 5-6 miles west of Bardstown. That is where we are seeing some rotation within that parent cell, and that's why the tornado warning has been issued. Now, that storm should weaken as it continues pressing eastward. Here you see on the MaxTrack Live Doppler, we're also looking at areas of heavy rain. Now, what we're talking about with this is a narrow corridor where it has rained hard. Jesse Carter, our storm tracker in Franklin, 3.3 inches of rain since the middle of the afternoon. Ron Malinowski in Georgetown, 2.2 inches of rain in about the same time frame. There have been some accidents caused by high water on I-75 in Scott County. So again, some folks may be delayed. That heavy rain continues from Georgetown to Paris on up to Carlisle.